Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 20th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal with these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis in order for you to become a better trader or investor. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Palantir had a good day, just like Tesla. So Palantir is up 64 cents, 2.97%, almost 3% up. Closed at 22.18. Post-market seemed to be down by 2 cents. We don't care about that. Since June 28th, the stock has been going down to $21. And the stock stayed basically underneath this big resistance that is now a support. So the stock was underneath that resistance. And yesterday we broke a little bit outside of it, but when you have a bounce on support and a break that's not very clean like this, it's hard to know what is going to happen the next day. The stock can continue falling down. Let's look at the hour chart directly. I explained on the Tesla video how I spotted that support and made sure that it was a valid support. I could never be sure 100%, but I made sure a little bit more than just thinking it's a bounce. So basically, if we look at the hour chart here, so basically, this is the candle of yesterday morning. So we opened right here underneath 21, went back down and started going back up. And the stock had been going down like this. So I looked at the MACD, and MACD is pretty good at spotting changes in trend, because it's basically a moving average or a cross between two moving averages. So basically, when I saw this cross in the moving average here that happened on July 15th, it was a little bit early for me to act on it because the stock was still, it looked like the stock was in a congestion zone, the stock between 21.55 and 21. So I did not really trust this MACD yet, because MACD can be very early with its signals and sometimes they are wrong, of course. So I did not put much faith in that yet. But then once we yesterday broke outside of this resistance here, so this was a breakout and the MACD was still improving in terms of the two lines getting closer to the zero. And when I saw that the stochastic was going higher and higher, I could see that here we were building up some steam, some momentum. The way I interpret stochastic, this is my own personal way. It could be complete crap, but I like it and it seems to work for me. Basically, stochastic is an accelerator pedal. The higher stochastic is, the farther away the pedal is pushed to the metal. I saw Palantir close to 21.55. So this was a resistance, and I saw stochastic was getting higher and higher. And with the MACD, this was enough to give me confidence that, yeah, maybe this is a real change in trend, and the stock is not just going to fall down afterwards, because when a stock goes down for a long time, it sometimes bounces up and fall down. This might still happen. But at least it has not happened yet, and there is some place to take some profit. Basically, this is how I went about this, and this was successful. And then later on, as you see here, the DMI crossed over green. So the DMI is a little bit late to the party, but if you want to wait for something that's a little bit more secure, the DMI is really good for that. Relying on the MACD is iffy, because MACD was saying you can buy right here, but yeah, it was scary to buy here because we still had the resistance to cross, and we were in a congestion zone, and the stochastic was pretty low, so we did not have a lot of indications. So basically, this is why I like to have different indicators, so that they each have their strength and it gives a better picture. So basically, we opened today right here, opened quite high, went quite a bit down. Some people wanted to push this stock a little bit further down, but nope, the stock was not going to given to this, and we have had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 good green candles during the day, and now we are having a little bit of a pause at the last hour of the day. Great day for Palantir. If we go back to the daily chart, so we have a nice green candle, we have a break outside of this resistance here, we have a longer wick at the bottom than at the top, so this is showing a nice push from the buyers. In terms of the stochastic is climbing back up a little bit. We are at 23.45. MACD is starting to level off a little bit. It's going to take a while. And the DMI is coming together a little bit, but it is going to take a while also. But I feel great that Palantir has bounced. This is a great company, a company that will achieve wonderful things. So I'm just happy that it's bouncing at 21 and it's giving us opportunity to get back in. It's all great. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. I pay special attention to my YouTube members. If you have a question and you are a YouTube member, then I will pay special attention to that question. We have a Patreon account, Discord server, a TradingView affiliate link. I will wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.